Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. In the previous videos, as well as in this one, we're checking out a software called Zebracat. Zebracat is an AI-powered tool where you can create videos using a bunch of different tools. You can do it using a prompt, you can do it using a URL, you can use it to translate videos, to create avatar videos, you can even design your own avatars, and all in all, the software is really fast and intuitive for you to use. We have been checking out some of these functionalities in the previous videos on the channel, so if you haven't checked them out, I really invite you to go to the channel, subscribe and check them out so you can get up to speed on how this software works. I am using one of the paid plans of Zebracat. If you use one of the paid plans, you get the most out of the software, so if you want to use one of them as well, there are some affiliate links on the description box down below for you guys to use. And on this video we're going to be diving into the brand kit creation. We're going to be uploading a logo and some colors for a brand, and then we will have a brand kit for us to use in different projects. As always, I'm going to turn my camera off so you can see my screen better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So this is Zebracat's homepage. These are some of the projects that we have been creating in the past. As I was telling you just some seconds ago, these are some of the ways in which you can create videos. You can do it with a prompt, you can do it with a URL, you can translate videos and so on. On this video, we're going to go to this option right here that says My Brand Kits. We're going to create one brand kit for us to use in different projects. If we click on the plus sign right here on the top that says Create New Brand, you can specify the name of the brand. I'm going to be emulating a cycling brand that is called Trek, so I'm gonna write that name right here. You could input a URL if you have a URL for your brand. Right here on this part, you can specify what the brand is about. I'm just gonna write cycling. On this plus sign right here, you can upload the colors that you want to use for your brand. Trek uses mostly red. And right here you can upload the logo. The software asks you to upload it as a transparent image. And I'm then gonna click on create. And just as easy as that, we have a little brand kit right here. Now, if we go to home and we were to create a new video using any of these tools, for example, an AI video, and we were to write a simple prompt, then you can just click on generate script. On this part, we can select from two different scripts. You can check all the script right here. You can edit it, or if you don't like it, you can regenerate the script using this option. You have up to 3 options to regenerate the script. If you do so, the software is then going to create a couple of more scripts for you to check out and use. Once you pick the script that you want, you can just click on next step. Right here, you can select the style in which your video is going to be. You can have it as a moving AI images. You can have AI video. You can have avatar video or stock footage video. This one is the one that I like the most because it just picks a bunch of different videos from the library that match the script of your video. You can then click on next step. And right here, you can select the aspect ratio of your video. I'm going to leave it as 9:16, as if it were for a short format video. You can select the voiceover. Right now, the voice that we're using is my voice, the one that we created using the voice cloning tool. You can turn on or off the captions and the voiceover. You can select the mood of the video, if it's going to be playful, happy, energetic, or so on. I want it to be energetic. You can select if you want music or not. And the most important part on this video is the brand kit. Right here, you can select which brand kit you want to use. Since we already created one that is called Trek, that is the one that is going to be added to the video. Or if you were to create a new one, you could do it on this page as well. If you click on create new brand kit, you would be taken to this screen that we saw previously. Once everything's looking like you want it to, you can just click on generate video. The software is then going to take a couple of minutes to create our input into a video. Once the software has already rendered the video, we're taken to the editor. So if we go to the bottom part of the editor right here for the project, we can see that the software automatically added the logo of our brand. And if you see on the captions right here, The one that is being spoken is in red because we specified that the brand color was red, so it is very in line with what we wanted to achieve. Once everything's looking like you want it to, you can just click on export. I always leave it on 180p and compression quality medium. You can then just click on prepare video for download. The software is then going to take a couple of seconds to process the video. You can check out the specific percentage right here. Once the software has processed the video, we can see the preview.
I was pedaling furiously, my heart racing as I hurtled down the forest trail, the trees a green blur around me, when I almost collided with a hiker. The close call left me shaken, but as I slowed, the forest's tranquility began to seep in, the scent of pine and damp earth calming my frazzled nerves. The sunlight filtering through the canopy above cast dappled shadows on the path, making it seem like the forest floor was moving beneath my wheels. As I cycled deeper into the woods, the silence was broken only by the sound of leaves crunching beneath my tires and the occasional bird call. I felt a sense of freedom, the wind whipping through my hair as I picked up speed, the forest stretching out before me like an endless green tunnel. The rhythm of my pedaling became meditative, my mind beginning to unwind slowly as I focused on the sensation of my legs moving in a steady cadence. A faint rustling in the underbrush caught my attention, and I caught a glimpse of a deer darting across the path, its large eyes watching me warily. As I emerged from the forest, the sudden brightness of the sunlight was a shock, but the sense of accomplishment was even more exhilarating. Now, whenever I'm stressed, I close my eyes and recall that ride, the memory of wind in my hair and the forest's peacefulness, a balm for my soul.
As you see, creating a video in Zebracat including a brand kit is really easy and fast. You can upload any type of logo that you have associated to your brand and any type of colors that you have associated to your brand as well, and they would be added at the final part of the video as you see right here. You can even add specific sounds that are associated with your brand. Let's say that, for example, you have a sound like the one that plays on Netflix. You could add that in the editor and they would be more in line with what your brand is trying to achieve. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Once again, my name is Santiago. I really invite you to subscribe to the channel and check out all of the previous videos that we have been creating on Zebracat. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.